Thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Time. We're in this beautifully renovated kitchen. We finished this about a month ago, maybe 2 months ago. And we were trying to get up here to show you what this looks like. But again, beautiful renovation. Just to give you an idea on what this did look like originally, is there was a small kitchen with cabinetry across this wall. The sink was actually underneath this window, and then there was a very small peninsula that came over here with some upper cabinets in this area here. Where the camera is, or where I started filming, there was actually a table there, and then we had our family room. So we extended this area all the way through. Island is about 12 feet long. It's a great size island for many things, for entertaining for one. At the end we put a little small area where two of them could sit and have breakfast, lunch, and if you're entertaining, everybody's out of the kitchen. You can still cook, you can still do the dishes, and everybody's standing on the other side. So massive island, and it looks terrific in this room. LED pot lights through the whole area. And then what we did where the stove was, because we had these two windows to contend with, so we're looking at how could we finish this without, obviously we could put the odd upper cabinet in, but there's not a lot of room for many upper cabinets. So Emily came up with a great idea where she would run the cabinets on this far wall, just a 12-inch depth. Don't turn the corner, so basically just a standard door so you can reach into this cabinet no problem. And then we left this whole wall with no upper cabinets. And we put this, the actual range hood, or this decorative range hood here, blends with the darker color of the island. And then we just left it freestanding right there, and then we tiled this entire wall with a, I think it's a 3x10 glossy tile backsplash with a matching grout. And it just looks fabulous. It's just the whole wall when you walk in through the front door, first thing you see is the range hood and all this tile with the windows and the GFI plugs, and then obviously the built-in stove too, which is very, very, very nice. And then on this wall here where the island is, what we wanted to do is to accomplish, we moved the sink over. So again, great for prepping, lots of room on either side. We also put the microwave in here too. So we went to our good friends there at Kwan's. They got us a microwave with a trim kit, and then we ordered that. So again, lots of room, dishwasher on the right-hand side of the stove, or excuse me, the right-hand side of the sink. Just a beautiful kitchen for entertaining and for enjoying every day.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Andon Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.